How are you doing, my beloved furry financiers? Many of us work hard, and if you're a frequent viewer of my channel, you're also saving and trying to invest your money, right? But where's the best place to invest if you have just a little bit extra money? I found a video where one successful dude shares his take on this, and as I always say, it's best to learn from the best friends. So let's get our notebooks ready and see what he's talking about.
If someone only has a few $1,000s a year extra to spend on something, what's more important for them, to invest it in the stock market or real estate, or to invest in themselves?
You know where I'm going with this one. So my favorite ism that I like is don't invest in the S&P 500. It's invest in the S&Me 500, because you will get so much more on active income by investing the small amount you have into increasing your earning capacity. Everyone's afraid of work. Everyone wants to get rich quick, which is why lotteries continue to make money. And so if you can just get out of that basic fallacy that you're somehow going to get lucky, I would rather get rich for sure. Like, success insurance is extending the time horizon and being willing to learn skills along the way. That's success insurance.
Personally, I find a lot of wisdom in his words. Of course, there are investors who pour a lot of money into the market and profit from its fluctuations. But if you can only afford to invest small amounts, it's better to invest them in yourself. That way, you won't be dependent on stock market swings, and the value of your knowledge will grow directly. Where would you recommend investing small amounts? Write in the comments. Let's help each other with valuable advice. Don't miss new episodes, because there are even more great videos coming up for financial growth. See you next time. And remember, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one. Bye. Hello, my dear crypto hamsters, and welcome! Let's talk a bit about cryptocurrencies today, and I'm not talking about how to trade or which coin to buy right now. Instead, let's suppose you've already acquired your desired crypto. Where and how do you plan to store it? That's a crucial question, and today I've selected a video that delves into crypto storage. Indeed, this is information worth knowing. Let's listen in.
This millionaire explains why you should have a cold wallet.
The difference between holding crypto on an exchange and in a cold wallet is very, very simple. Exchanges in the crypto world are very much like banks are, but who keeps you safe from the bank? Because if I have my cash in my pocket, I have access to it at all times, and it is mine, just mine. No one can touch it. But exchanges will pass your money over to governments if they get subpoenaed to do so. Your cryptocurrency is much safer in cold wallets. Cold wallets, which ideally are not logged in anywhere, which only you and maybe some close friends in case you die have access to, that's the way to do it. Exchanges are good for buying, selling. Move it there, exchange it, take it off.
Do you agree with him?
I think we just heard some incredibly valuable advice. Many exchanges come with internal regulations and a heap of bureaucracy. Some have really started to mirror traditional banks. Try spotting the 10 differences, you know? So why keep your coins there if you aren't planning to trade them frequently? Besides, the speed at which technology is advancing amazes me. Having a digital wallet is like carrying an actual safe in your pocket, one that can hold a fortune. Another benefit is that storing your crypto this way means no one can freeze it, because it is already a cold wallet. Get it? Share your thoughts in the comments, friends. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, hamsters are power. One for all and all for one.